Hello traders, welcome to Market Makers. In today's video, we are going to do a complete walkthrough of the Market Makers dashboard and understand how this institutional grade cockpit can completely change the way you look at the market. This is not just another scanner. This is a professional trading cockpit designed to help traders understand market direction, sector strength, momentum, setups, trend continuation, reversals, and opportunities all from one place. And the best part, instead of manually searching hundreds of charts one by one, Market Makers does the heavy lifting for you. So make sure to watch this video till the end because many traders only use 10% of the platform, while the real power lies in understanding how these dashboards actually work. Now, before we begin, if you are completely new here, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our previous video where we explained how to search, log in, create your account, and navigate the platform. Once you create your account and click on Launch Terminal, this is the page that opens, the dashboard. And this right here is where the real game begins. Now let's start from the top left. You can see multiple time frame options: 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. By default, the platform opens on the 1-day time frame. Now, what does that actually mean? It means the stocks being displayed below currently have the potential to make a significant move either on the upside or downside based on the current market structure. Now, if you look on the right side, you can see auto refresh and chart preview. Let's understand both. Auto refresh automatically refreshes your trading cockpit every 30 to 60 seconds so you stay updated with live market movement. You don't need to manually reload data again and again. The market changes every second, and this helps you stay synced with it. Now, chart preview is extremely useful. Instead of opening every stock one by one, you can simply hover over any stock and instantly get a quick chart overview. This helps you immediately understand: is this stock even worth opening for detailed analysis? This alone can save traders hours every single day. Now, right below, you can see the Market Today graph. This graph gives you a timeline-based market movement overview. You can see where the market peaked, where it reversed, where weakness entered, and how the market behaved throughout the day. This gives traders instant context before even opening a chart. And context is everything in trading. Now let's focus on the left side. You can see sector stats. Most people think this is just a statistics section, but it's actually much more powerful than that. This is also a filter. With just one click, you can filter stocks based on sectors. For example, IT, financials, FMCG, industrials, and more. The moment you click any sector, all the stocks below automatically get filtered accordingly. And at the top, you can see which filters are currently applied. You can also remove them anytime. This allows traders to instantly focus on strength and weakness in specific sectors. That's institutional thinking. Now below that, you can see futures and options segment and cash segment. This section shows how many stocks are currently bullish and bearish. Now yes, from these numbers you can understand which side the market is leaning towards. But again, this section is not just information, it also acts as a filter. Now, one important thing you'll notice across the platform is the color system. Green indicates bullish opportunities, red indicates bearish opportunities. This helps traders instantly identify market bias visually without wasting time. And when you combine this with chart preview, you can very quickly decide what deserves attention and what should be ignored. That is the entire goal of a professional dashboard. Reduce noise, increase focus. Now let's move toward the setups. The first row is dedicated to stocks that have the potential to make higher highs or lower lows. Now, if you're hearing these terms for the first time, here's a quick introduction. A lot of this structure-based understanding comes from Charles Dow and the Dow theory, the same foundation that made understanding market trends easier for traders globally. And if you want, we can create a completely dedicated video on Dow theory as well, on how professionals and institutional uses it. Now coming back, these stocks are selected based on current market structure and momentum conditions, meaning the system is searching for stocks that could continue trend expansion. Now below that, you'll find swing setups. This section focuses on higher lows, lower highs, support-based setups, resistance-based setups. This is more for traders who prefer slow and steady wins the race. These are not explosive momentum setups. These are quality structural setups. Now, moving further, we have one of the most widely used concepts in trading, EMAs and EMA crossovers. Here you'll notice setups related to 200 EMA, 52 EMA, 13 EMA, 26 EMA, and more. The 13 and 26 EMA combination became especially popular through Dr. Alexander Elder's impulse system. In his methodology, the 13 EMA helps identify short-term trend direction, while interaction with the 26 EMA helps understand momentum and structure. You'll also notice HA setups here. HA stands for Heikin Ashi, and yes, we'll discuss that deeply in just a moment. Now, the next section focuses on MACD setups. This includes stocks where MACD crosses above or below the zero line, hooks near the zero line, or shows momentum continuation behavior. You'll also notice price on 50 EMA. This is self-explanatory. It identifies stocks resting on the 50 EMA, rejecting it, or crossing it. Again, instead of manually searching charts, the dashboard is already doing this research for you. Now, the final section focuses on oscillators. This includes RSI, stochastic, CCI, and others. This section helps identify stocks entering important momentum zones. For example, overbought, oversold, reversals, momentum shifts, and exhaustion moves. Now, understand something very important. We study all these conditions extensively and then search the best possible setups for you. The goal is simple. When you choose from the best, not from random charts. Now remember the drop-down at the top? This is where things become even more powerful. Inside the drop-down, you'll find time frame setups, Heikin Ashi, expansion, mean reversion, analysis session, and much more. Now let's open Heikin Ashi. If you don't know what Heikin Ashi is, comment below and let us know. We'll create a detailed dedicated video on it. Now Heikin Ashi consists of multiple time frames, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week. Each time frame contains bullish setups and bearish setups. Now what makes Heikin Ashi different? The open, high, low, close calculations are different from normal candles, which means the results and structure behavior also become different. And one of the most interesting features here is change of color. This helps traders identify exactly when a stock changes momentum behavior. For example, if a stock changes from bearish to bullish Heikin Ashi candles, a potential move may begin. Now, if I open this stock, you can see how the candle behavior changes on TradingView integrated directly inside market makers. And yes, please do your own analysis. This is not financial advice or stock tips. Now let's move toward expansion setups. Here you'll find bullish impulse, bearish impulse. The bearish impulse section focuses on stocks that may create new lower lows, while bullish impulse focuses on stocks that may create new higher highs. Again, same model, different objective. Now moving forward, we have mean reversion. This section focuses on pullbacks, meaning price returning towards support or resistance before continuation. For example, forming higher lows, lower highs, base formation, rejection structures, and more. You'll also notice multiple time frame filters here as well. Now last but definitely not least, we have analysis session. Candlestick patterns are important, everyone knows that. But here's the problem. Most scanners show candlestick patterns everywhere, even in useless zones. But market makers applies additional AI-based filtering, meaning patterns are shown where they matter the most. Near bottoms, tops, reversals, and important zones. You'll notice blue cards for neutral patterns, green cards for bullish patterns, red cards for bearish patterns. This improves signal quality significantly. And this was the complete walkthrough of the market maker's dashboard. The goal here is not just replacing scanners. The goal is replacing chaos with an institutional trading cockpit, so that you stop thinking like retail and start thinking like institutions. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment below what feature you want us to explain next. We'll create detailed videos on those topics as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.